So here's how to use points on Shein. But before we start, if you're new to Shein, you can go ahead and click on my link down in the description to get your free Shein account. After that, you can also get the Shein application. So first up, we will open the Shein app. Once you're here, you will get to see this interface. Over here, scroll down and you will get to see the items available on Shein. Let's go through them and choose a product. After that, I'll tap on Add to Cart. Here, select the relevant size or variant and tap on Add to Cart, then tap on the cart icon on the top. Once you're here, tap on Checkout on the bottom. You will then be taken to the order confirmation page. Here, scroll down and you will get to see this section that says Payment Method. Here, tap on More. After that, select points from right here. All your available points will be shown here and you can choose how many points you want to use, then tap on Apply. After that, you will get a certain discount based on your available points. And that is exactly how to use points on Shein.